know what this is all about and why this is such a failure. Oh. This shouldn't do this. Guys, I think I broke the car. So guys, what happened is, and I'm finding out, I'm doing some research, this is typical, and a lot of BMWs have had this issue, I guess. And it's just, this is standard. They're not like screwed in or threaded in or anything. So this is just held in. Let me see if I can get my phone out and get some light on the inside of here. I don't know if you can see that. So it's just like pressed into that little spot. So I don't know if I can, you know, get this back in here or not. I mean, well, it's kind of locked in again. I think I'm gonna hit myself in the face. I really just feel like it's gonna come off again. So let's call that as reattached and put this back in. That's it. It won't come up now. Maybe it just wasn't secured from the dealer. I'm scared it's gonna happen again.